Alright, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am working on my mom's nails. We will be doing a full set of acrylics. I'll be using clear tips. Right now I am just using the cuticle bit from my nail file to remove some of her cuticles so the nails will stick, and then after that I'll be applying the tips. Okay, y'all, so I have the nail tips on. These are all clear nail tips from Sheba Nails. So they're all nice and tight. I used the surgical nail glue that I have from Sheba Nails. So now I'm about to cut them down to length, and then after that I will be applying the acrylic. So I'm going to try cutting them down with these first. I do have a regular nail clipper. Just kind of stretching it a bit more, putting the little white marks on it, which is fine because it's going to be covered anyway. Done applying the tips. Zoom in a little bit. And I cut them down to length. So now I'm going to get ready to apply the acrylic. I am using a new acrylic liquid that I picked up from Sheba Nails, the same nail supply shop I told you guys about. This is a Pro Sculpture primeless liquid monomer. It says low odor, universal, self-leveling, and non-yellowing. Now she told me this was the same as their regular monomer. They didn't have any big ones in the regular, so I just picked this one. So it'll be my first time trying it out. I have some here in my dapping dish, and I'll be using the clear acrylic powder. And I have two brushes here, so I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. And we're going to get started applying the acrylic now. Okay, so we're all done with the nails. That's how they turned out. I didn't even have to use my e-file over the top. It was self-leveling, so it turned out pretty nice and flat. I just kind of buffed over them, filed them a little bit. So next we're going to use my new SC polish on it called Unwrap Me from the 2020 Valentine's Day collection. And I have my little fan here to dry your nails off with, and I got this from Dollar Tree also. It's battery operated, but it blows really, really strong. So, yeah, that's how I'm going to get started on polishing them, and then we'll be all done. We are all done. She is drying her nails now with the little fan, but they turned out so cute. The color is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's the SE Unwrap Me. The top coat I use for quick dry is the Set JV. And she's all done, set, and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.